In this video, I'll show you how to fix verification codes not received on Android. First, check your mobile network signal. Make sure your phone has strong network coverage. If the signal is weak, move to a better location and request the code again. Next, make sure your phone number is entered correctly in the app or website where you have requested the code. You should also check if your inbox is full or if messages from unknown numbers are blocked. Restart your phone and try requesting the code again. Another useful step is turning airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turning it off again. This refreshes your network connection. If the code still does not arrive, wait a few minutes and request a new code, or choose the option to receive the code by voicemail if available. That's how you fix verification code not received on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.